Alright, good day everyone. Welcome to our lovely YouTube channel. Today's lesson will be on linear inequalities in one variable. Our main focus will be on inequality symbols, graph of the linear inequalities in one variable, solutions of linear inequalities in one variable, word problems involving linear inequalities. Alright, now let's move to our first example. Alright, for the basic symbols we have this for less than or equal to, greater than, and also greater than or equal to. But when we are handling the number line, we will use this for greater than, we use this a shaded point for greater than or equal to, then less than this other symbol, then less than or equal to for the shade. We also shade this point for less than or equal to. Alright, question number 1 says 2x minus 3 is greater than 11. 2x minus 3 is greater than 11. So in this case, there are several ways we can actually solve this, but we will add 3 to both sides. The reason why I'm adding 3 to both sides is to eliminate this 3 and leave 2x on its own. So I will add 3 to both sides. So 2x minus 3 plus 3 is greater than 11 plus 3. So have 2x, because minus 3 plus 3 is 0, is greater than 14. I'll divide both sides by 2. So x is greater than 7. So to represent this on the number line, x is greater than 7. So I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So greater than 7, we move to the right hand side. So this represents x is greater than 7. So the second one we have 18 is less than 9 minus x. So I will have 18 minus 9 is less than minus x. So 18 minus 9 is 9, is less than minus x. So I can take minus x to the left hand side and 9 to the right hand side. So minus x to the left hand side will turn to x, then 9 to the right hand side will turn to minus 9. To represent it on the number line, since our focus will be on the negative part, we have minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6. You can stop there since our focus is on minus 9. So we have this less than, so it will go to the left hand side. So this is x is less than minus 9. The next one we have 3x minus 3 is greater than or equal to x plus 19. So in this case, it looks somehow complex, but it's not. So all I need to do is to correct like terms. So I have 3x minus x is greater than or equal to 19 plus 3. So in this case now, 3x minus x will give me 2x is greater than or equal to 19 plus 3 will give us 22. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2. So 2x divided by 2 is greater than or equal to 22 divided by 2. So in this case now, x is greater than or equal to 11. To represent this on the number line, I will have, since our focus is on 11, so I'll focus on that range of values from maybe 9 to 11 or 9 to 12. So I have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I can actually stop there. Alright, so we have 11 is greater than, that means I'm going to the right hand side, or equal to it means I have to share this point. So this represents x is greater than or equal to 11. Okay, for the fourth example, we have minus 3x is less than 15. So we are going to divide both sides by minus 3. So minus 3x divided by minus 3 is less than 15 divided by minus 3. One thing you should note that if we divide any inequality by a negative number, automatically the sign changes. So in this case now, this is off, so I have x. This will not be less than any longer, it will be greater than minus 5. Alright, so to represent this on the number line, we have minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2. So we have minus 5 is greater than x. So x is greater than minus 5, x is greater than minus 5. Alright, for E, we have x minus 1 is less than 3x minus 2 is less than 2x plus 6. This one looks a little bit strange. So we are going to divide this linear inequality into two. So the first one, we have x minus 1 is less than 3x minus 2. Alright, so we have x minus 3x is less than minus 2 plus 1. So in this case now I have x minus 3x will give me minus 2x is less than minus 2 plus 1 will give us minus 1. So I'm going to divide both sides by minus 2. So I have minus 2x divided by minus 2 is less than minus 1 over minus 2. Don't forget that when a negative number divides an inequality, we have the sign changes. So this will be what? X is greater than 1 over 2. So in this case now I have, next one, we have 3x minus 2 is less than 2x plus 6. So I will collect like terms. So 3x minus 2x is less than 6 plus 2. So this will give us 3x minus 2x is x is less than 8. Alright, so to represent this on the number line, we discovered that we actually need 1 over 2 and also we need 8 on the number line. So in this case I have, since there's no negative number, you can start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So for the first one we have x is greater than half. Half can be between 0 and 1. And also we have x is less than 8. So we join 9. Alright, so in this case now the solution set will be, since x is greater than 1 over 2, it therefore means that 1 over 2 is less than x. And in this case that x is less than 8. So x is less than 8. So this will give us a solution set for x minus 2 is less than 3x minus 2 is less than 3x plus 6. For the final example, we have Daniel buys X novels at 300 naira each and X plus 2 novels at 400 naira each. He spends less than 5,000 naira. Find the possible values of X. Alright, in this case, the cost of X novels is, from the question, is 300 naira. So we have X. So we have the cost of X plus 2 novels is the 400 naira times X plus 2. So therefore, the 300X plus 400X plus 2 in brackets is less than the 500 naira, 5,000 naira. Alright, so in this case now, we have 300X plus 400 times X is 400X plus 400 times 2 is 800 is less than 5,000. So in this case now, I'll have 300X plus 400X. This will give me 700X. So it's less than 5,000 minus 800. So I'll have 700X is less than 4,200. So in this case, I'm going to divide both sides by 700. So 700X divided by 700 is less than 4,200 divided by 700. This is off. So X is less than 0 cancels 0, 0 cancels 0. So 42 divided by 7 will give us 6. So in this case now, it means that X is less than 6. So since X is less than 6, so the possible values of X are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now to check if our answer is correct, so when X is equals to 1, for instance, so we have 300 naira plus 400 naira. The X value of X is 1. Sorry, we had X plus 1, X plus 2. X is 1 plus 2. Alright, so in this case we have 300 naira plus 400 naira. 1 plus 2 give us 3. So I have 300 naira plus 3 times 400 will give us 1,200. This is equals to 1,500 naira. It shows that 1,500 naira is less than 5,000 naira. Alright, we have come to the end of our exciting topic, linear inequalities in one variable. I hope you learned a lot. Please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting mathematics videos. Thank you.